In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Amazon products on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know how to pick winning items, set up your seller presence on Alibaba, create strong listings, and confidently handle orders and shipping. First, identify the products you want to sell. Head to Amazon and research items that are trending or consistently in high demand. Prioritize products with healthy sales volume and solid reviews, while avoiding categories crowded with heavy competition. Most importantly, stick to generic or unbranded products so you steer clear of trademark and copyright issues. Bestsellers lists, seasonal trends, and frequently bought together sections are great places to spot reliable demand without stepping on brand protections. Next, find or manufacture your product. You have two paths: manufacture your own item or source it from factories and private label it. Visit Alibaba and search for suppliers that make your chosen product. Reach out to multiple suppliers and ask about custom branding options, bulk pricing, and packaging customization. While you're there, clarify minimum order quantities, production lead times, sample availability, and quality standards. Clear communication early on prevents surprises later and helps you compare quotes apples to apples. Now create an Alibaba seller account. Go to Alibaba.com, click Join Free, and register with your email, phone number, and business details. Complete the verification steps as prompted. Make sure your business information is accurate and matches your documents to avoid delays in later reviews. Consider upgrading to a supplier account, which is optional but recommended. Supplier membership, along with business and payment verification, adds credibility and helps buyers trust your store. Verified profiles often get better visibility and higher inquiry rates. When you're ready, list your product. Log into your seller dashboard and select Post Products. Upload high-quality photos, write a clear and concise description, and set your minimum order quantity, pricing tiers, and shipping details. Add keywords that mirror how Amazon shoppers describe the item, focusing on generic terms and core features. Keep titles clean and avoid brand names you don't own. Set wholesale-friendly pricing. Alibaba buyers typically order in bulk, so offer sensible discounts for higher quantities and keep your MOQ flexible where possible. Spell out shipping options and typical timelines to reduce back and forth messages. Promote your listing to increase visibility. Use Alibaba ads, run limited time discounts or coupons, respond quickly to inquiries, and keep your images professional and consistent. Fast, helpful replies can boost both conversions and ranking. Finally, handle orders and shipping. Confirm specifications with the buyer, arrange production or pull from inventory, and ship via a freight forwarder.